Hello everyone, my name is Darshan Shah. I live in Bombay. We are into the business of ready-made garments since more than 3 decades now. Learning from any course is very natural, but the most interesting thing about this course is that you learn, unlearn and even relearn many things during the course. It has just been 7 months in this course, but the amount of vitamin K that I have acquired from this course is tremendous. Learnings that you take back from the lectures can really be implemented in your course. It is a dream come true for any student to learn operations. Is that 11 months of your life that you will miss and remember for the rest of the